I'm just heading over to Ernie's right now. Going to meet up with Ernie and Murray to go do a quick ride around the Sharbot Lake area on a couple of gravel roads that we haven't done yet this year. Go to the left. There's a tree down on the right.
Okay.
Yeah, that's definitely better going.
Oh.
I know what section he's at.
A bit of a drop off. Trail's in so good a shape it almost makes it boring.
I'm wondering what they laid down here because I'm looking back and the dust seems okay.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure what kind of gravel they use. Almost like a silica or something.
Yeah. Oh, I just stole it. Good thing you guys don't have a camera.
Good thing. Good ride.
So far so good. Now it's coffee time. Just what you need on a hot day.
Yeah.
Oh.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
There we go.
Okay. No freaking time.
Wait till next week when there's 4 of us.
Everybody's been sitting here watching us, waiting for us to leave.
Yeah.
The little girl's like, what the hell?
We're always the entertainment.
Yeah.
We'll go right.
I mean, it's not difficult. It's just like pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Oh.
You alright?
Oh yeah, these 2 bikes just came out of nowhere.
Oh, scared you. Yeah, they weren't there when I went by. I just looked and all of a sudden they were there.
No, they came out when Ernie was going by. Yeah, I didn't even see them. They weren't even looking. Like if there was a car coming, they would have smoked.
Car.
Nice road.
Yeah, this one's cool, eh?
Yeah.
I think we've done it once before, but I don't remember doing it.
What road is that?
Clarendon, yeah. Oh, wash it on the right there, guys.
Deep one.
That was yeah, get your tires in there, oh boy. Alright, we got a little, what are we doing here? A right. This says no exit though. Could be interesting.
Yeah, those are some of my favorites. Apparently we were outvoted, Murray.
If it stays like this, we're good.
My experience is doesn't stay like this.
Oh, rough road, drive at your own risk. Alright, so I've got us going the wrong way here, according to the map. Or way off course here.
I'm not even on the map, and that's bad when I got the back roads maps on.
I don't think we're supposed to turn down this road. Mind you, it looks pretty cool. It's not even on the map though, yeah.
No. Well, that says private land, do not enter.
Yeah, and I don't know what happens if you keep going that way. It said no exit, so I imagine it's a dead end.
That's either that or it turns into all private. Yeah.
We'll go back.
Hey, why don't we go back?
Let's go back. Make you guys happy, fine.
We won, Murray.
Oh, I see. Okay.
You want to turn right at that next?
Yeah. That's what we want. Wheelers, Pancake House.
Considering this is the ATV route and not the one we were just on,
yeah,
I'd say the other one doesn't go anywhere.
Seems like an awful lot of work to clear that spot out for 2 plastic chairs. Warning, this township road does not receive routine maintenance or inspections. I don't know. It's pretty good to me so far. We'll see, though.
This is how they bait you into it.
Yeah, it starts off really good and gets rapidly worse.
Yeah.
I'm thinking the snowmobile trail is on the right there, though. For some reason. I don't know why. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, because Wheelers is off this way. If I'm not mistaken, or something. Yeah, see, there's a trail there.
Oh, we are going to come out of Donald Corner Road.
Yeah.
Nice beach.
Yeah, very nice.
Dalhousie Lake.
Hidden gem. Golf cart.
Don't hear that very often.
Ah, perfect. Take a quick pit stop up here at the intersection.
Intersection?
Yeah, we won't turn the cameras off, but grab a quick bit of water, and I gotta switch my map. Bit of a washout on that right hand there. And there's one in the middle.
Ooh, there ever.
Holy. That's a bit of a rut.
Yeah. I smell bacon. Is that not bacon? Am I just getting hungry?
Oh, I smelled it.
Some wild pig out laying in the sun.
Look at all the cars.
Big boat launch.
Yeah. Good birdie. Oh shit. Partridge. I have no idea about this lunch place. I picked it on the map and looked at their menu. And
How you find out about those places?
yeah.
Marcus brought us here on a day ride last year. And we were downtown. There's an old mill down there.
Yeah.
It was pretty good.
Where's that? How do you get to that one?
Yeah, that's how I remember.
It was, because Perth's a funny town, but it's right downtown.
I thought it was next to the water, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
Isn't it up here? I thought it was just...
No, I think it's straight ahead.
Oh, yeah, you can kind of see it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that is it.
Yeah, that's it up there on the left.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll just keep going straight. Little chicane here. The Red Fox, I saw that. Oh, yeah, I recognize this. Where are we going to park, though? We used to park out front.
Oh, okay.
What do you think we should do?
Park.
Yeah,
This guy's
park
leaving?
here.
On the no parking spot? This guy's leaving up here.